blow a bag today, don't care about nothing, just wanna get paid. I blow a bag today, let's shawty his dick, but I just want the brain. Alright, y'all. Day Friday, good day. I didn't go to work today. Fuck them. But a lesson in the back. I'm about to get my backyard street. I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with. I'm gonna rake it up first. No, it's not. How? What the fuck you talking? That's what Shelby talking about. It's talking about it's hot. How you from the country and it's hot?
I used to be in the house.
We got all this shade back here, y'all. I'm about to show y'all. But I'm about to got there and rake up everything. This nigga got a whole pond in his backyard. The fuck is he doing? That shit about to attract mosquitoes. Then he got water drying over my side. Hell no. That water still running? I tell him about that shit. I hope that hit dog water. That's bad. Dog need fresh water every day. You can get that dog mosquito larvae in his fucking stomach and kill it. But he ain't even fucking home. But yeah, look. So you see we got all these shade. We got all this shade. There's no sun back here, so I don't know how the fuck she hot. There's no sun back here. But I'm gonna rake up everything. That's my goal. My goal to rake up everything. I have piles already. I told her to burn it. That one burned. The one over there, we just planted the tree on top of it, so I don't fucking know. But I'm gonna rake up everything. Put them bricks against the house or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Put them in, little flower bed. Not flower bed. What that shit called?
Oh, put them around that one?
Yeah.
Okay, she gonna put it around that tree. I'm gonna rake up over there. And then once I get done raking, then I'm gonna come and cut. My dog's tearing up my goddamn yard. I ain't got no grass. I got grass growing, little spots and shit. But it is what it is. See, I'm a wheelbarrow, cause I gotta take everything out my barrel. That's some of the stuff right there. But I gotta take the rest of this shit out the barrel. And yeah, once I take all this out the barrel, should be good. So yeah, I get started with that. I'm gonna try to see if I can get some footage for y'all while I'm doing it. Probably put some music over the top of it, shit like that. Look, I gotta get that shit fit. Look at that, Leslie. You didn't even notice that. On in the house, man. Some bullshit, but yeah. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we got so far. Cut it. Like you see, she looking good. Don't worry about that patch right there. I'm trying to see if that's gonna help my grass grow right there. I'm gonna fix it up in a minute with the rake. So I got this. This the ashes from the first pile burnt. Trying to see if this can help my grass grow back. I don't want to drop sod back here because I got dogs. So I don't want to drop sod. I want to do sod in the front, but not in the back. So I want the grass to grow back here. As you can see, Les is over there cleaning up. She over there cleaning up. I'm about to go trim that on them bushes over there, them rose bushes. But let's do a plant update while we over there. Let's go do a plant update. Let's check on my girls. Let's see how my girls doing. See if they doing good. They should be. You got water them?
Yeah, that shit not there. What the hell is it?
Yeah, cause you ain't got no boots on. You got
I ain't watered them today.
plant update. They looking good. They doing good. They doing good, real good.
You think this would be stupid?
Yes. Put it in the wheelbarrow in a minute. But yeah, that's the little update. Let me finish and I'll show everything. Alright, y'all, so this is what I got so far. I got some fire going right here. I got this one dying out, but it's still doing what it do. I'm gonna light that back up in a minute. So it's burning all this straw. The straw come from my neighbor yard, his pine tree. He got a pine tree right there. So like I said, I still got that. I'm gonna put that, I gotta cut my grass first, but I gotta get everything burned up. Me and Les was sitting there watching the fire. So when you eat your watermelon, you come back and pick up them debris.
I got a whole plum, not plum.
Pear.
No, peach.
But can you pick up all those stuff the dogs talk for Orion thing, please? You'll do that? Alright. So yeah. We got my fire going. This is what I got going on right now, y'all. So I'm about to listen to my music. I'll see y'all on the next clip. Alright, y'all. Y'all see I'm back at it. Captain Ridge for duty, buddy. But so let me tell y'all about Alexis, man. So I tell her, and she still rakes it up. It's no biggie. I just told her it wasn't ready. Of course it was still wet. That's why it wasn't ready.
Yeah, and that's why I spread it out.
She spread it out like how I did this one.
So it can dry out.
No. She spread it out like I did this one, thinking it's gonna dry out. No. This is all ash. I spread this one out so I can see if I can get my fucking grass to grow back. I don't know if y'all know about that trick. You know what I'm saying? Your granddad probably didn't teach you about that. But try to do it with that one. But it's still fucking wet. So it's still smoking like a chimney now. But I'm gonna finish up raking out some little shit here and there. I ain't cut yet because I still gotta burn my shit. See, I got that little patch right there because I'm gonna fix that up in a minute. I'm gonna fix that little patch up in a minute. I mean, let's go back and pick the trash out. Then I'm gonna cut it. Cause I gotta fix that little patch here. I get some grow right there. Then I gotta use that ash right there in that barrel. I'm gonna use that ash. I use that ash in all my dry spots where my dogs be at majority. Where you see dry spots at, that's where my dogs love the area. As you can see, you see how it's not over there. It's back here. Yeah, the dry spots where the dogs love the most. So I'm gonna use that ash. I'm gonna pour the ash, rake it, and then Leslie's gonna come back and pick all the shit up. Our first burn in that barrel, it didn't go as successful because we were burning all kind of shit. We know you're supposed to only burn paper, plastic, shit like that. We were burning all kind of shit. So it whatever. But we just gonna pick it up, put it in a bag, take that shit to the dump when I go to my grandma's house. So, well.
The dump's closed early now on Saturdays.
You know the one at my grandma's?
Yeah, remember she told us that.
I thought it was open. I thought that one used to stay open the latest.
Hold on, let me see what time it is.
Well, I know what to do with it. But yeah. So we can use the ash for that. Ooh. Trying to let that shit burn right there first before I do anything else. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna let that burn. I'm gonna let that burn. Then pick up my trash. Then cut. And then drop my ashes down. Because I'm gonna drop my ashes down after I cut so I can see where I need them at. If that makes sense. So yeah. I'm gonna flip that over in there, that bin. In my doghouse, I'm gonna flip that over and then cut a square in it so they can get in there, stay out the sun. And I'm gonna leave they fence open so if they want to go in there and get some shade, they can. Yeah, backyard should be looking good. Backyard should be good. Day 2 at it, you know. Had to get me some water. Goddamn, Alexa bring me a cup I ain't never even seen before. I don't even remember purchasing this.
I purchased it.
Oh.
That's what I said. I got a cup, you got a cup. Or I got one. No, I bought Oreo. You bought Oreo in the jacket.
Yeah. I like this cup. Got some good water. That thing pretty, no dating, but pretty long, ain't it?
I think you need like 2 cups of water with like fill it up twice. That'd be your ounces for the day, I think.
My bad, y'all. It's hot and y'all see me wasting water, but shit. The boy Shay loves some water, but so I ain't had like the way I had set that camera up yesterday. Like I said, so I ain't gonna do that today on here. I'm just gonna show y'all when I'm done. I'm gonna pull the camera up and talk until I get my my mic and my tripod. But as right now, we're gonna make it work with it work. We're just gonna do that. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man.
I blow a bag today, don't care about nothing, just wanna get paid. I blow a bag today, let shawty his dick, but I just want the brain.